आपको कुछ चैलेंजेस लगी हो या जनरली इट वाज सीमलेस?
इंडिया में लेडीज को एक्सेप्ट करना was a challenge. When we joined, generally toilets used to be a combined toilet. Males don't require a separate toilet.
सो आपने ज्वाइन किया तब यू डिडंट हैव द इंडिविजुअल फैसिलिटी फॉर
No,
फीमेल्स, अ डिफरेंट वॉशरूम फॉर फीमेल।
वो जैसे मैंने बोला 2 तरह के लोग होते हैं, एक जो सपोर्ट करते हैं और एक जिनको औरतें आगे आए वो पसंद ही नहीं। I went into my missile squad. तो मिसाइल स्क्वाड में मिसाइल्स एक कंटेनर में रखी हुई होती है। कैप ऑफ द कंटेनर इज टू बी ओपन्ड एंड टेकन आउट बाय 2 people. द कैप वेज अराउंड 90 kg. तो मेरे नीचे वालों ने ही पर्पसफुली मेरे सामने एक लंबा बंदा रखा so that the weight is more on. They wanted to see that it should drop from me.
अच्छा,
To prove that I cannot handle it that their way. मैंने
जानबूझकर।
मन की तसल्ली के लिए, जानबूझकर नहीं बोली,
अच्छा।
मन की तसल्ली के लिए कि नहीं, हमने बंदी को ये दिखाया कि भाई तेरे से इतना नहीं हो सकता। But I picked up the weight and I moved out. I did fill 7 containers. They openly said it to me that, ma'am, when you came, we actually had a bet that will you be able to finish the task for me. We started morning around 8:30 or so, and it continued till next day morning. 24 hours we were supposed to produce the missiles for the entire squadron's request. And after that, the challenges were just let them come, let them come. वो 3 महीने, it started in the month of May and got over by August. उन 3 महीनों ने मुझे वो बनाया जो मैं आज।
सो वो 2-3 साल में, जैसे आपने अभी जस्ट ज्वाइन किया और इनिशियल 2-3 इयर्स में व्हाट कारगिल हुआ, हाईजैकिंग हुआ, पार्लियामेंट अटैक हुआ, एवरीथिंग वाज बैक टू बैक।
It was a happening place.
तो अमृतसर आपको याद रहेगा।
बिल्कुल, अमृतसर तो और भी बहुत चीज़ों के लिए याद रहता है। लाइक अमृतसर वाज द प्लेस वेयर आई गॉट मैरिड। जनरली हम बोलते हैं कि कोई बंदा गुस्से होता है तो अगले मिनट वो शांत नहीं हो सकता। आई लर्न दैट ड्यूरिंग दिस न्यूज़ फीड। कारगिल में जब आर्मी पर्सनल की डेड बॉडीज आती थी तो आई वाज एट द बेस। डेड बॉडी देखो तो गुस्सा आता था कि व्हाई माय लॉस।
इमेजिन करना भी डिफिकल्ट है मैम हमारे लिए, तो इमेजिन करने से भी वी आर गेटिंग गूज़बम्स। आई रियली हैव नो वर्ड्स टू एक्सप्रेस हाउ यू पीपल आर मैनेजिंग द शो ओवर देयर। आगे बढ़ते हैं। देयर वुड हैव बीन द टास्क्स जहाँ पर आप और एक मेल जेंडर दोनों को मिलकर कोई टास्क है जो कंप्लीट करना रहा हो। सो एनी एक्सपीरियंसेस इन दैट रिगार्ड जहाँ पर आपको कुछ चैलेंजेस लगी हो या जनरली इट वाज सीमलेस?
इंडिया में लेडीज को एक्सेप्ट करना was a challenge.
अच्छा।
In 4 fronts. Every front, whenever it was open for ladies, it was difficult for males to accept them so easily. Because generally a male-dominated society में female getting into that domain was not so easily accepted. Generally, there are 2 types of people or males, I will say. One are very supportive and one who don't like women to be coming out. અને એને આપણે we cannot remove it. It is an inbuilt or I'll say their upbringing has been like that. So yes, when I joined Air Force, there were problems which I had to face. But that was an initial phase. Like Air Force was still getting equipped that yes, we have to accept women in our stride. They are going to be part of us. So, as simple necessity as a toilet. When we joined, generally toilets used to be a combined toilet. Males don't require a separate toilet for officers or men. But when as women we joined, there has to be a separate toilet for us. But it took its own sweet time to get developed.
What are you saying? So आपने join किया तब you didn't have the individual facility for
No,
females, a different washroom for females.
no, it
Then-
came later. Matlab, see, the process takes its time. They had asked for it, but infrastructure development for a comfort is something which is of least priority than infrastructure development for the equipments and the assets.
So उन्होंने बेसिकली ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं कि फीमेल यहाँ तक आ सकती है.
लेना शुरू किया तो सोचा तो था कि हाँ आगे बढ़ेंगी ये भी इसमें, बट इट वॉज मोर लाइक फील्ड में भेजा है तो दे विल मैनेज. तो yes, we managed. We never questioned it. We managed. And over a period of time, then it started becoming enhanced and things started coming up. To such an extent that आज, when I have left service, I met women who have joined as airmen also.
Okay.
And for them, strategically speaking, before they come to the station, a letter was sent across to the stations to ensure these facilities availability so that they can be working easily. But when we joined, yes, there were, but that's what gives this life an adventure. मुझे वॉशरूम जाना है तो सबसे पहले मुझे उसको नॉक करके बोलना है भैया कोई भी है तो अंदर से बाहर आ जाओ, फिर मैं अंदर जाऊंगी. ठीक है, लोगों को लगेगा कि ऑकवर्ड है, बट इट वॉज अ चैलेंज एंड पीपल यूज टू हैंडल इट ऑल्सो. जैसे मैंने बोला, दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, एक जो सपोर्ट करते हैं और एक जिनको औरतें आगे आए वो पसंद ही नहीं है. दोनों तरह के लोग होते हैं और हमें दोनों तरह के लोगों को हैंडल करना होता है. तो आई ऑल्सो हैड माई शेयर ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. लाइक आई विल टेल यू, जैसे मैं आई वेंट इनटू माय मिसाइल स्क्वाड्रन. तो मिसाइल स्क्वाड्रन में मिसाइल्स एक कंटेनर में रखी हुई होती हैं एंड द कैप ऑफ द कंटेनर इज टू बी ओपन्ड and taken out by two people.
Okay.
The cap weighs around 90 kgs. Now, both the people who are handling the cap should be of same height. If not same weight, it's okay, but same height, so that the weight is equally balanced.
Okay.
But ट्रेनिंग में मुझे मतलब ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग जो होती है उसमें मुझे ये काम करना था. I had to do certain things so that I clear it कि okay इस तरह से ये होता है and the process is done by me. तो मेरे नीचे वालों ने ही purposefully मेरे सामने एक लंबा बंदा रखा so that the weight is more on me. They wanted to see that it should drop from my hand
अच्छा.
to prove that I cannot handle it their way. मैंने
जानबूझकर.
मन की तसल्ली के लिए, जानबूझकर नहीं बोलूँगी,
अच्छा.
मन की तसल्ली के लिए कि नहीं, हमने बंदी को ये दिखाया कि भाई तेरे से इतना नहीं हो सकता है. बट आई picked up the weight and I moved out. I did till 7 containers and after that I was supposed to get on to another task. तो
अच्छा.
7 कंटेनर तक मैंने किया and then I moved on to another task of activities because while preparing the missile we are supposed to carry out a certain series of tasks
Okay.
to ensure that the missile is fireworthy. So I moved on to another task. और subsequently, मतलब तब तो नहीं बोले थे, when they started knowing me कि what sort of a person I am, they openly said it to me that ma'am, when you came, we actually had a bet that will you be able to finish the task or not,
Wow.
because it was scorching heat of May and I was wearing 3 layers of clothes because when I landed to the squadron, I was in my blue uniform, which is the normal working uniform.
Hmm.
But when we are supposed to do this task, we are supposed to wear overall, which is FOD, free uh, dress. Like nothing should fall into or over the missile. So to wear that, I had to actually zip it up on my uniform. So
That's the second layer,
that was the third layer.
third layer,
So under the uniform, we have our
regular dress.
regular dress. On that, the uniform, and then this was the third dress. Heat of 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. On the tarmac, we are working with the missiles. And
और 90 किलो का ढक्कन.
ढक्कन उठाओ, इधर उधर दौड़ो, सारे प्रोसेस में एज एन ऑफिसर दैट फाइनल चेक from that particular process, when the missile is to be moved out for second process, it is to be signed by an officer. So I was detailed for two such processes.
Okay.
And both the processes were at a distance of 500 meters. So every time I have to run 500 meters back and 500 meter front to complete the two processes. बीच बीच में चाय आ जाती थी, लोग चाय पी लेते थे. I was not habituated to have tea.
अच्छा.
I was on water, and this process continued for continuous 24 hours. We started morning around 8:30 or so, and it continued till next day morning 8:30. 24 hours we were supposed to produce the missiles for the entire squadron's requirements. That was my first adventure, which I relish and remember throughout my career, that yes, I could endure that task. And after that, the challenges were just let them come, let them go. To such an extent कि this was during Kargil. Kargil के बाद जब पार्लियामेंट अटैक हुआ था.
सो कारगिल के वक्त मैम ये जो पूरा जो वॉर चला था जिसको हम एक्चुअल वॉर कह सकते हैं, सो अभी जो भी हम बात कर रहे हैं ठीक है, वॉर का सिनेरियो है, पर अभी हम वॉर कह नहीं सकते, पर कारगिल वाज एक्चुअल वॉर.
Yeah. Limited war, limited only towards the more of J&K area, but yes, we were at war at that time.
So at that time you were very new in your profession also, right? तो what kind of challenges, और जब पहली बार आपने and Air Force played a very very important role during Kargil, तो at that point of time आपका जो experience रहा as a fresher, situation कैसी थी? Was that something you were prepared for during your training, या फिर कितना भी प्रिपरेशन कर लिया हो पर उस वक्त जो आप देख रहे थे, जिन चीज़ों का आप सामना कर रहे थे, how was it going like?
See, that being my first real time scenario, I was also brought up like a plain simple girl. Yes,
Because you don't have a military background.
that's what I was coming to. Not having a military background, brought up in a complete civilian atmosphere, कि जहाँ पे adrenaline rush was almost zero. हम कभी भी इतना जुनूनी या इतना full of patriotism and full of anger हमने देखा ही नहीं था. वो 3 महीने, it started in the month of May and got over by August. उन 3 महीनों ने मुझे वो बनाया जो मैं आज हूँ. Like जनरली हम बोलते हैं कि कोई बंदा गुस्से होता है तो अगले मिनट वो शांत नहीं हो सकता है. I learned that during those 3 months कि मुझे किसी चीज़ पे गुस्सा आया है, मैं किसी को कुछ I'm blasting on somebody or I'm blasting on the situation, but the very next moment if person comes with something which is very, very different, or I have to meet a lady or a child, my stature will be completely different. I'll be completely calm, completely quiet, completely into a normal way of walking and talking. Because that is what taught uh, me as to how you should handle all the pressures and you should handle all the situations. कारगिल में जब आर्मी पर्सनल की डेड बॉडीज आती थी तो आई वॉज एट द बेस. डेड बॉडीज आती थी, उन्हें आइडेंटिफाई करना होता था. बिकॉज ऑफ सिक्योरिटी रीजंस हम जितने भी लोगों को बताया गया कि भाई आपके क्या बोलते वार्ड की या आपके हस्बैंड की डेड बॉडी इस एयरबेस पे आने वाली है, तो दे यूज टू लाइन अप आउटसाइड द एयरबेस. भाई हैज़ द डेड बॉडी कम. टाइम वॉज नॉट नोन टू अस. सो जाके वहाँ हम सबको तो अंदर आने नहीं दे सकते थे सिक्योरिटी रीजंस. फिर जाके बाहर उनका नाम लो, उनके जो भी हैं उनको अंदर आने दो, उनको क्या बोलते वो डेड बॉडी हैंड ओवर करो. डेड बॉडी देखो तो गुस्सा आता था कि वाई माई लॉस.
Yeah.
But I cannot show it to their families. I have to be polite. I have to be very, very condoling, so that yes, it is
Empathetic.
their loss, and I have to bring them, ensuring the security at the same time, handing them over the body in the way, befitting way that yes, he has given his life for the country. Doing all these things in that span of 10-15 minutes taught me these things, and they took me a long way. अपनी इमोशंस को अपने अंदर कंट्रोल रखना है. आई शुड नॉट गिव अवे दैट यस आई एम फीलिंग बैड बट आई कैनॉट क्राई. आई एम फीलिंग एंग्री बट आई कैनॉट गिव इट आउट फ्रॉम माई माउथ. वो सब चीज़ें करते हुए इट मेड मी व्हाट आई एम. लाइक व्हेन इट इज़ decision making, any harsh decision to be taken, no second thought should be there. No, this has to happen this way, this has to happen this way.
उस वक्त आपके साथ जो लोग थे, आपकी टीम में से ऐसे कुछ इवेंट्स हुए थे मैम दैट you lost some friends of yours from your teammate or anyone?
Not my teammate per se, but as I told you, I was selected for Army also, and I was selected for Air Force also. So my father said, I had got the call letter from Army, which was 2 months prior. So I happened to land up at OTA Madras. और वहाँ पे 2 दिन रुकने के बाद I left back क्योंकि मेरा Air Force का कॉल लेटर आ चुका था. So during that period, I met the people who were undergoing who were going to start the training.
Okay.
In that was the first person. One of the colleague there, he expired in this Kargil war. And subsequently, I met his elder brother who is in Air Force.
अच्छा, अगर आपने आर्मी लिया होता तो शायद आप
तो
उसके
शायद मैं उसके
साथ होते. इमेजिन करना भी डिफिकल्ट है मैम हमारे लिए. तो इमेजिन करने से भी वी आर गेटिंग गूज़बम्स. I really have no words to express how you people are managing the show over there. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So then it was Parliament attack.
Parliament attack we were again deployed, and this deployment actually was for 1 full year.
1 year.
Generally, deployments happen, say, for a month, 2 months, but 1 full year of deployment. It was actually मतलब an experience of, like, if we go for war for a longer period, something like Ukraine and Russia war.
Correct.
It's been almost 2 years now. मतलब आप अपने फैमिली से दूर हैं, आप और मैं आज की नहीं, मैं 99-2000 की बात कर रही हूँ, when mobiles were not there, when calls were through STD, and the STD also we would prefer to do it only after 11 o'clock, जब
Rates
rate 1/4 हो जाता
हाँ.
था, क्योंकि मुझे अगर डेली कॉल करना है कि आई एम ओके, आई एम गुड, घर में सब ठीक है, तो इतना आसान नहीं होता है, क्योंकि मॉनिटरीली भी देखा जाए तो द पेमेंट्स वर नॉट वेरी हेल्दी एट दैट टाइम. Before 6th pay commission and 7th pay commission, the payments were only to meet the two ends of the month.
Okay.
इसमें इस तरह से इतना लंबा ये, जिसमें ना छुट्टी जा सकते हैं ना कुछ, मतलब वी हैव टू बी देयर, दैट्स इट, नो लीव, नथिंग, वी आर अवे फ्रॉम आवर फैमिलीज एंड sitting doing the exercises that one fine day we might have to do something. That was a very, very grueling and learning process. Okay, इतना लंबा endurance कैसे किया जाए? But it gave its own experiences.
But what was the reason? There was no war at that time.
There was no war, but the preparation was mandatory to be checked. How long can we endure?
Okay. So it was a part of
Our exercise, you can say, but a long drawn exercise. So the training was conducted at a little higher level than we do it in the normal peace time.
और उस वक्त आपकी पोस्टिंग कहाँ पर थी?
I was posted to Amritsar only.
Yeah, it was back to back.
Back to back. Kargil in 99 and 2000 December Parliament attack, and we were out from 2000 to 2001.
So वो 2-3 साल में, जैसे आपने अभी जस्ट ज्वाइन किया और इनिशियल 2-3 इयर्स में व्हाट कारगिल हुआ, हाईजैकिंग हुआ, पार्लियामेंट अटैक हुआ, एवरीथिंग वाज बैक टू बैक. ओके,
It was a happening place.
इट वाज अ हैपनिंग प्लेस. सो अमृतसर आपको याद रहेगा.
बिल्कुल, अमृतसर तो और भी बहुत चीज़ों के लिए याद रहेगा. Like Amritsar was the place where I got married.
अच्छा.
Amritsar was the place. I had adventurous memories. I had sweet memories. I had bad memories. Everything. Amritsar was a mix. Yeah. And let me tell you, most of the defense people, whomsoever you meet, their first posting will always be a memorable posting to them. Because that's where we start living our life. Training is something which we are doing with lots of colleagues. So our friends are around for us. But when we get posted to a place, these friendships are no longer to support us. We are away from each other, away from the family. Because mostly it is like in the training, we are not supposed to get married. So that entire duration, we are alone. First posting, generally half the posting, most of us are alone. After half the posting, generally we get either an arranged marriage or a love marriage, depending on the situations. But that's how it happens, mostly.
Okay.
So when we land there, we are actually alone to the core. Family is not around. We go to the office, come back to a single accommodation, when we are just single entity in that entire accommodation. So that is how we groom ourselves. We come up with various activities, various work, and all these things to ensure that we are engaged. Not now. Now, though mobiles are there, people are happy. But during those times, we neither had TV nor had any entertainment source with us. It was just me in that room, trying to read books, trying to um, write something so that I can use away the time that is vacant with me.